Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable sound for events notifications on the Facebook app when using a PC, especially after the latest update where some settings have been moved around. If you're getting constant notification sounds for events and want a quieter experience. While browsing Facebook, this quick guide will help you turn that off in just a few clicks. First, open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the notifications icon. This is where all your recent alerts and updates appear. After opening the notifications panel, find the three dots icon. It's usually located near the top of the notification dropdown. Click on those three dots to access more options. From the menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can manage different types of notifications. Now scroll down through the list until you find the Events section. Facebook groups notifications by category, so you'll need to locate events specifically. Click on Events to open its settings. Inside, you'll see different options related to how you receive event notifications. To stop the sound, look for the option labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. Toggle this option off. Once you disable it, Facebook will no longer send you event notifications with sound. That's it. You've successfully turned off sound for events notifications on Facebook using your PC. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more quick guides like this to stay in control of your app settings and notifications.